Business finance has a language all its own and often misunderstood. Now, in order to get your entire team, and I mean your entire team from every corner of the business on the same sheet of music, you really got two choices. You can bore them to death with PowerPoints and lecture, or you can have them work a finance simulation. Either virtual or in person, it works identical. We're introducing you to Apples and Oranges, the business finance simulation that has been around for well over 30 years, and we have run millions of people all over the world through it. It's tailored to either healthcare, manufacturing, service, or retail. What will your participants do? They'll manage cash flow, inventory, staffing levels. They'll fill out financial statements. They'll understand all these different things that actually make them a part of the team at the table when you're trying to make really important strategic business decisions where finance plays a role, which, oh, by the way, is almost every important business strategic decision. Please give us a call. We'd be glad to demo Apples and Oranges to you and get your team on board with understanding finance.